Hello, today I'm in Seat Ibiza. In this video I'll show you how to enable and manage cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the lever behind left side of the steering wheel, and on the top of the lever we've got this switcher. Right now it's at off position. To enable cruise control, set it to on while driving, and now cruise control is enabled. Then you can increase the speed by pressing the button on the top of this lever. So press plus increases the speed and minus decreases the speed. To reset, set it to cancel by switching this button at the top of the lever, and to turn off cruise control, set it to off. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.